just a rebel on your own. Bedroom trip. On a bedroom trip.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is your boy King Creative back with you with another video. I'm here with my boy Eclipse. We're gonna do a BK for butterfly knife 1v1. I just got the 1v1 today, or no, yesterday, and I got the super cool skin that I got a long time ago. Just never unlocked it. Unlocked the butterfly knife, but yeah, we're gonna play this. Oh yeah, first kill. Going hard. Alright, this guy is the butterfly knife. He's a beast. If you watch, I'll put his link in the description for his channel. He goes crazy with the butterfly knife, like just like that. Bro, that wasn't a butterfly knife, that was regular knife. But still, he goes insane with it. Yeah, just getting to get killed out here. I know it. He's gonna beat the bricks off of me. I know it. Kill. This is more like technical. Trying to back up. Cool. Here we go. Oh, yes. Okay. Cool. All right. Keep this steady. Let's keep this steady. Ooh, wow. Yo, he just scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. Yo, chill. Oh my god. There he is. Can we get him? Shit, missed. Oh, fuck. Damn. Oh, this guy's a beast with BK, yo, I swear. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yesterday he was actually teaching me some of the stuff that he uses. His perks for BK. He uses quick knife and trigger finger, since BK is considered a semi-automatic weapon. Alright, here we go. Knife. Yes, got him. Wait, where is he at? Oh, I see him. Okay. Bruh. You're kidding me, right? Yo. I swear to God. Alright, so he was like teaching me how to step aside. He calls it the underlay or some shit like that. So he just steps to the side and knifes me in my back. We're trying to work on that. Okay, there we go. Most of the time I just get lucky and knife him forward. Oh my god. I swear. This guy is a beast with the butterfly knife. He said that he's been playing with it since like beta. I think he said, yeah, beta. There we go. Yeah, he's been playing with this thing since like beta. So, no, that's why he's a beast with it. But yeah. Dang. Yeah, man, I need to work on this. I've been playing with it in a public match for like 2 matches. Oh god damn, look, he's a beast with the regular knife too. You know, I don't even think we should count those kills, honestly. There we go. There he is. Can we get him back? Oh, no, missed. Too far. Can we get him? Let's go. Knife. Oh, shit. Oh my god, dude, I swear. He thought he was finna hard. That's funny. Alright, I'm getting lucky with these kills. I know I am. Alright. There he is. Damn. No, I don't think these regular knives should count, honestly. I don't care. I suck with the BK, man. Damn. I'm getting wrecked. There we go. Finally, kill. Going 10 and 13. Clips winning. Yup. Shit. I'm so glad I recruited him because I think I recruited him 3 days ago, 4 days ago. I thought I was gonna hide again. But he killed me. Yeah. Anyways, I recruited him like 4 days ago for clan. Yes. Oh yeah. By the way, guys, we changed it. Oh yeah. Let's go. Anyways, we changed our clan name to ES, which is Latin. It's Electissimus. Yeah, Electissimus Sumus, which means we are elites. So we are ES now. We're not SVT anymore. Yo, we thought he was gonna hide it again. Come on now. But yeah, we're not SVT. Damn. We're not SVTE anymore. We're ES. That's your new clan name. Which kind of sucks because I made her freaking Instagram after SVT. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I recruited him 4 days ago. I didn't know that he was gonna be this good. Because he was playing with, I think he was playing with MPX, and I was crushing him. And then I finally like played him in the 1v1 private, and I used, he used butterfly knife and just started wrecking me. I was actually a little upset about that, but I ain't worried about it. Alright, yo, I'm finna use his technique and hide in these bushes. Where he at though? I know he was coming. I know he was coming. There he is. We can get closer. Got him. Oh, yo, getting lit out here. Let's see if we can work 2 times in a row. Okay. The OP sees me. Okay, let's go. Let's run. Oh, no, OP got me. Of course. Okay, here we go. If I knife out. Hey, let's get it. 14 and 18. Let's see if I can make a 4-point nope. I was about to say let's make a 4-point comeback. Alright, let's make a 5-point comeback. Alright, okay, I see him. Okay. Maybe not a comeback at all. Yeah. Holy shit, man. The bad thing about BK is that you get a lot of hit markers, but it doesn't kill. This one time I got like 3 hit markers on this dude and he still didn't die. He told me that happens a lot with BK. Damn, yo. I swear. God damn, I'm getting wrecked. Oh, you guys UAV out. 14 and 22. Hey, 15 and 22. Let's get it. That's not even a good score. Yeah, I'm about to start practicing. Okay, yo. Alright, well, that's the game, guys. GG. Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys.